Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. This is the brand new ZD Racing BX-12, not to be confused with the new Rlaarlo, I don't know how to say it anymore, I've lost it, X12S, which is absolutely identical, but for a couple of things. Now, this comes in at $212 US from Makerfire, thank you for sending it to me. But that is with taxes. Some areas, some countries, you don't pay taxes, so it will be a lot less. So it comes with the same 2845 3600 kV motor, a 35 amp ESC and a 2.2 kg metal geared servo. We also have a 2200 milliamp hour 3S battery. So we are here where we recorded for the Rlaarlo X12S. And we're going to drive it in exactly the same places and see if it can hold up as well. I understand that others had problems with the Rlaarlo X12S. We did not. We beat it, we bashed it, we crashed it, we jumped it. We could not break it. So can this take the same punishment? I don't know. Let's find out. So, just for those that do not know, pop over to John Robbins RC Essentials and you can watch a very close-up of this car video. But there's one thing that I just want to put right, set the record straight. I thought that this here was just a holder, a nice little holder for it. It is not. You put your connector in and then pull it out. So I've been doing that wrong for months. So there you go. So the power's on that. Power's on that. Did you know that that did that, Colin? No. It was only when I watched Rlaarlo's video that I saw them connecting that connector. And I'm like, plonker. Let's go. Wow. Okie dokie. That is going very much to one side. Does that seem faster or slower? I think we should do a head-to-head with these, Colin. Did you see that turn that I did there, Colin?
Yeah.
It really can turn well at full speed. Amazing. So impressive. So I remember that we also jumped over that jump and it landed on its back. So can we do the same thing without breaking it? I get it. It's fast, I think. I like cars that can keep Colin and his camera skills. So good. So good. So, there's obviously nothing broken, so let's go on to the next area, which I believe was gravel, Colin, yes?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, this is the second area that we went to. Let's go. And yes, it's just as difficult to control as the Rlaarlo is. But still more fun! As you can see, it's been raining, ladies and gents, so we don't particularly want to drive it through as of yet. And then we went down to the flatter area down there next. Let's go! Okay, we drove it around this area. One thing I was concerned about with this car was that it's got a 35 amp ESC rather than 45 like the Rlaarlo, and the servo is 2.2 kg rather than 11. Now, it doesn't seem to affect it whatsoever. As you can tell. Very nice. Oh no! I went through a puddle. Some of you who are smart would see that it's got a little jump here. Now obviously we didn't do that with the Rlaarlo, but it would be rude to not try, wouldn't it, Colin? Yeah. Do you want to get a bit closer to it? Just have a quick jump, that's all. Just a quick jump, Colin. Try that one again. Now, sorry Colin, I don't know if any of you have watched the Rlaarlo video. I hope you have, but this one does seem to land on its wheels a lot more frequently rather than on its back, like what happened with the Rlaarlo. Right, that's this area done. Now let's go and do the big jump, shall we? So the last time we did this jump here, so we'll do exactly the same, hopefully not straight into the water. Let's go, Colin. So now we're going to go into the montage for the big jumps. We'll do it exactly the same way that we did the last time.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
The one time that I asked Colin to hit the pole, he can't do it. Go figure, huh?
I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
He hit it, he hit it. Is it working? Yeah. Okay, we try one more time.
Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat and make mistakes real fast. Then you learn how to be.
No, you missed it.
Take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Yeah, I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just want to be iconic.
So, ladies and gents, as Colin doesn't seem to be able to hit the post, he's going to drive it into the post.
You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. You might just know where you don't want it. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. Mentally, unhealthy. Spreading like a weird disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy.
I think we broke it. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? Yes, we had to get Colin to drive directly into a post because he seemed unable to actually hit it after the jump like what we did with the Rlaarlo one. Yes, we have broken it. Yes, it's not a big deal, but I really would have expected anything to break hitting it a metal post at that speed. If you see here, it is just that there. That is the only thing that's broken and everything else is absolutely perfect on this. Not even, I mean, let me straighten that up. There we go. As you can see, absolutely brilliant. These little cars, I have to say, I know it's a copy design. Rlaarlo and ZD Racing are doing the same design, but I have to say it's a really good RC car. For those that don't know, this one does actually have the grey, the dark grey rear differential casing. That's basically an upgraded part from when Rlaarlo released theirs, and obviously there's a couple that had failed, so that's already been done. So can I recommend the car to you? 100%. It is a great little car, quite fast, quite enjoyable, and it pretty much goes anywhere you want it to, except when Colin's trying to hit a post, then it goes everywhere else. I really do like this one, I truly do. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.